Hi, I'm Max from Old California. How far should my light hang from the ceiling? This is one of the most common questions we receive at Old California Fine Lighting and Home Goods. And we have a couple easy methods to help you find your perfect distance depending on where the light will be mounted. Let's get started. You're going to need a tape measure and a pen and a notebook or something to write on. You also may want a ladder or step stool. The first method we'll cover is for fixtures hanging in walkable areas of your home. Standard ceiling height is 8 feet or 96 inches. Your measurement may vary, of course, and we recommend that the bottom of your fixture hang at least 84 inches above the floor. When you're shopping at Old California, we call this measurement the overall height. And your overall height includes the length of the fixture and the chain or stem that it's mounted to. So measure your ceiling and then subtract at least 84 inches to determine your overall height. If you have a standard ceiling of 96 inches and then subtract that recommended minimum of 84 inches, you have an overall height of 12 inches. Remember, this includes the length of the fixture and the chain or stem. This second area to cover is mounting above a counter or a table, which includes the extra step of factoring in the height of that counter or table. In this case, we recommend that the bottom of your fixture hang at least 36 inches above that surface. So measure the distance between the floor and the ceiling and or mounting surface, and then measure the height of your counter or table. And once you have those, your formula for finding the overall height is the ceiling height minus your table or counter height minus at least 36 more inches. Finally, it's a good idea to double check your work. You could use a balloon on a string hanging from the correct height to simulate the fixture in place, but don't forget to include the height of the balloon as part of your overall height. Or if you haven't yet watched our tutorial about determining what size your light fixture should be, that video is linked below to help you build a mock-up you can hang in place. And we suggest you live with that test in place for a short time to make sure your overall calculated height works well in your space. That's it for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips around your home. And if you're looking to make your house the envy of all your neighbors, then shop for stunning handcrafted lighting at oldcalifornia.com. See you next time.